In the realm of chiropractic care, one fundamental aspect often overlooked is the crucial role of hip alignment in maintaining back stability and overall spinal health. The human body is a marvel of interconnected systems, and the relationship between the hips and the spine is a prime example. The hips, being a major weight-bearing joint, play a pivotal role in maintaining the alignment and balance of the spine. Hip misalignment can stem from various factors, including postural habits, uneven leg length, injuries, and overuse and strain. Dr. Rory Dopps advocates a comprehensive chiropractic approach to address hip misalignment, including assessment, adjustment techniques, corrective exercises, and lifestyle guidance. Properly aligned hips contribute to reduced back pain, improved posture, enhanced mobility, and prevention of future injuries. In addition to chiropractic treatments, Dr. Dopps emphasizes the importance of tailored nutritional support for overall health and wellness. Aligning the hips is not just about addressing hip issues, it's about creating a foundation for a stable and healthy back. Dr. Rory Dopps at Dopps Chiropractic highlights the undeniable link between hip alignment and spinal health.